Monka just Sammy Gyamfi yire Sammy Chiano. Ni kunu eguso talkers guess will gone. Why did we go megu aware? Megu aware was said you see political appointment. Na me ngu aware keke. Me the bed jide free so na me dey see from. That next wait. Call Sammy Gyamfi. Hey, Sammy Gyamfi. Sammy Gyamfi. Wanna be about you.
Afia Schwar any Okatakyie Afrifa bones abe clash with Sammy Gyamfi. Gold board Sammy Gyamfi. For 10 million Ghana cedis lawsuit Sammy Gyamfi are filing against Afia Schwar for defamation of character. Sammy Gyamfi Afia Schwar edi natem. Enu ntino hwebe or 100 billion. Emu no Afia Schwar any Okatakyie Afrifa bones abe clash with some do say massa. Bibi ya wo. Sammy, are you out of your senses? I Penyah block me. That's what I need him. Over like this video, no doubt, my subscribe button, some back the notification, and latest update. Now, bet you watch your mama, our comment section. That's what's over. No, I should be for any be action. 18 years say Afia Schwar singer, and Sammy Gyamfi. Omutem e hedan hey. Agrada dollars and seven by you know, you how Afia Schwar be kan ye. But I say, am I even Sammy Gyamfi crowd talk car crowd? And Afia Schwar be kan say, hey, Sammy Gyamfi. 4 months in office, who talk out to me about it. Emma Becca Crana before then, Yadama Etna Kunyazo Crano, there was a scene when I say, oh, a movie called Independence Colony Mahama Quatra Kunyazo. And I say, Sammy Gyamfi, Koja Nair on the Nam, and no Afia Schwar can was him. The greatest congratulations. Sammy Gyamfi. How you doing? Maybe Sammy Gyamfi kura ware ye. The way they are saying as a on the no. Ontimi na ire no vibe as ontimi na ire no ensa papa Afia Schwar be fire no ho. Na nsem nche bia. Ana Afia Schwar singa ere ensem betum se da bi. Sammy Gyamfi na yire eni nkwa na ho na yire ema na ni nkwa lego because Sammy Gyamfi oye ozunzun fide bi o lego o wi lego ma no o wi ma
Monka just Sammy Gyamfi yire Sammy Chiano. Ni kunu eguso talkers guess will gone. Me qualist no. The member who say me qualist no. Me be friend me informant. Me friend me informant. Ekuma. Ya wad. Sammy Gyamfi girl no buni di no me refi safa sene me. Ah, na fa lesson ni na ba. Ah, fa sene fa ni na ba. Me try. Se kutu se ba mu e nya di ani bia. You just said I know a dama, say to say, because I would see this and young lady, I said to say, yeah, Santiago, say to say, fantasy, young lady, I said to say, and the Monchas I made you feeling a sir. You couldn't know ya Juma with a gompa or ya Juma ye. Yeah, no cry, no Becca. Now we are, sir. Ninu Vide, so I bet to feel US. Ah, na ye ni nua keto akwa beto fie bu US nti we de e asante aka de
Ori manu talkers nyina chebi e wo ho ema afia de ase me ba ye no later ana se ba e ba mfrimo se hu sa da bia se Sammy Gyamfi e pe Afia Schwar ne address je be o ti wa America ho no mo or pen address enya se wonya address say obetwa bopa ama nipa bia kodi Afia abone erum na Afia te da ase me na Afia sa betena Ever saw whole life. Ever TikTok. And I say, Sammy Gyamfi, oh, pay me my dress. And you may catch them. So Sammy Gyamfi mistake. Edna who from Bama so they one function to say, maybe Afia Schwar. Me good Sammy Gyamfi aware. Me no weird, Sammy. What you be good? Because anyone may be a snow. Oh, you crowd, I have a poison working.
Why did me go me go aware? Me go aware am was lose political appointment. Na me go aware keke. Me debate jide free so na me dey besi form. Those warning to politicians, especially that nitwit called Sammy Gyamfi. Hey, Sammy Gyamfi, Sammy Gyamfi. Wanna be about him? You bet see when you saw me. You from a fear me bet sit down everywhere you saw. See you. Because Obia, never can Obia. And when I say Obia, Sammy Gyamfi, your man will do my and I also grow wings. One no na me never started. Na me the work at you me say. What's you cry you will be fear anymore, Sammy? Me man who will be woo. Is that a threat? Yes.
Sammy who ye? What I say? Who ye? Never say more if you think because oh Sammy Gyamfi real man. They say or the swag real man. Gold body their man or the talkers man or Legon Honomo. Sammy Gyamfi jina so train fear court. As Sammy Gyamfi say you say Afia a good anymore say. Defamation of a character. Afia got say ni di here was say or we on Sammy Gyamfi. Nipa wo di mu Ghana ha Ghana gold nyina ahye ne as time na Afia to make us on no we guess kra you just inform my idea now what do you mean what I say what do you mean Afia what do you mean is that you just say Afia gun anymore say et no ene ma begire ba ko court emfa wo hye ento Afia Schwar say bia ofiri ho kwa case we twam a ono kra ntimi nkompo Sammy Gyamfi di bia not even in a dream da ye mu kra no Sam eba na numa on ninte on fa Gyamfi ne meso so ala say after no court en Afia na court enye an amount of 10 million Ghana cedis kano 100 billion every Afia Schwar ga hono mo enfoma ono Sammy Gyamfi na onfa empata ne kra na asfe by no ana mafo chese Sammy ade wo ye wo kai wo ne kwame sefa kai peace fm uko twa antroto kwame sefa kai so kwame sefa kai ka se bi kire o ase wa antini ye
nyai keke obi say udin da ho ana obi ka se mintia o da nye no kre. You're growing in politics, in public life. One day obi di ye wa betiase when really all you have left is your name, your reputation. Today it may seem very trivial to you. Ebe will say a trivial at the end of me, but one fine day you will understand. Especially when your children are growing up, you're married, or lawyer konenim, and I believe I know you're a smart guy. Or lawyer juma konenim, politics konenim. Now because I'm found no credit, you will understand why I'm doing what I'm doing today. And yeah, somewhere you know the saying that social media doesn't forget.
No.
One day somebody will Google my name and that story will appear. Yeah. So it is not trivial. And yeah, somewhere so yes,
Shaman. Now the man it be say a karma and I catch up with Sammy Gyamfi. If I lost it, Sammy Gyamfi FL against Afia Schwar I will demand an amount of 10 million Ghana cedis. Afia Schwar abe reply. Na crazy Afia Schwar abe record obe patch out. Ama no ho abe mobo sre bianka Sammy Gyamfi ebe hu no mobo nanka wo de ache no. But everybody just say bi o kila ntua o. What you say the ezo ye no sa na wi abe say arrest warrant like Kevin Taylor so. Na wa boy ni tie wa ama Ghana me ya nchina ntum onto say the party about power and no be try the case in any here any Sammy Gyamfi die who di agro kula die Kevin Taylor be bie kwana to say insult free for ojimi kokra
address now the koto on enya ho na mete wo bronze say minim ze munyina mo jimi enya ho na mete wo bronze obi bu sam address na ya na me so me di amano kilentia me de ma dwen mo nam run say me ne wonka onu ubenya asem e o Ghana ho o asem e dwe ho enya ma address mo buza address na me di amamo because we know all of you. Oh yeah, so we are lawyer ni Emrane say, he who comes with equity and you lied against a certain vice president, Sammy Gyamfi, Bawumia private company, Aomudi Ria Ghana Fosika. Sammy Gyamfi, can you defend that? Can you defend it? 7 months in the cast in the Yama. Can you defend it? Sammy Gyamfi, you walk around with dollars, with bags of dollars in your car. We saw the video. And that's a dollar and that's your bottom now you now a bag mu and I would dip your hands into bag full of dollars. And I would see me now can over $2,000-3,000. And I would demand evangelist mama part. Can you defend it?
On God, me I promise.
7 months in the cars now what to turn. Can it match your? What did you want to for them? What did the chief Iman at them? Kevin Teller, what did you attempt in at them? What did you before them? What did you grandma for them? One of Pamajano. Now, my own idea, my Sammy Gyamfi asem. Go to hell. Message said there Kevin Teller the and Konakoti default judgment. Congratulations, where we need case no. Me case here where we need. Mini kapel Ghana won't na we need wafa. Mini he, won't you? Mini ajabadio. Mini he, Sammy Gyamfi, mini property, mini he. And congratulations, ko we need case no. But said there Kevin Teller the and was so long kewure mo beba. Sana mini u case in kwasi case ya dia ko jina court wo jare wo jare. No na me. E di obi address. Obi address minim dia mobile enti bubusa am address anam dia no ma ho wo di obi address aba betu social media go to her and hello go to her she I'm shaking I'm so scared Sammy Gyamfi ask me $10 million it shimi be Sammy Gyamfi what can meet you way meet you when I go promise boss for galam say no what kind? Sammy Gyamfi, who can meet you way? Ah? What can meet you way? Meeting our call was a call promise, one Samu Bamba Mako took a lamb say no. Sammy Gyamfi, what can meet you way? What they may channel? Maybe you want that. I said, what I won't grow up. Jimmy. Oh, I promise you, what I'm saying to that gold bond now. Jimmy, God, you defend us in God. Can the law states, he who comes with equity must fucking come with clean hands. Me, Afia Schwar, the last person you people can threaten is me. If you want my address, bring me $100,000. I will personally give you my address. The one you stated. Something you call out to say me. May use him free. Fajiri foko. Fajiri foko. Fajiri foko. End of Macramo. Catch on, say. Said your man, ya Kevin Teller, you know. Afia Schwar, Supreme Court, Benjamin. Just warning to you. Stop telling Bolare and Pato that's me who the Sikama. The Sammy Gyamfi, you cannot bribe me. Tia, stop telling Bolare. Sammy Gyamfi, stop telling Bolare and my cousin Pato that you have given me money. Sammy Gyamfi, you cannot bribe me. We are Kola. I don't take stolen money. I don't. The reason why you told Bolare you've given me money, go punish your mouth. I do not take stolen money. Sammy Gyamfi, you cannot bribe me. And why are you sending money for me? Why are you telling Bolare that I have given Asumasi money to go and give it to Afia? Masa, because it is what it is. People you have given me money, who me call court? Who me call court? Well, when Bolare called me, my husband was here. I also recorded it. You are going about telling people you've given me money. Or when you say, me, can you bribe me? Can you bribe me? I fear crying. Me master me sister tell Jimmy, respect yourself. Me Jimmy. We are not mates. I am your senior sister. Respect yourself. Those people that you give money to, they are not me. Sammy Gyamfi. There are people that will take money from. It's not you. Stop spreading lies about me. Stop. You made Bolare called me, and Bola said that. Stop it right there. What me call told me na so wama miska. Wama miska. Usika wama misika. What do you mean in am crofo so wama misika? Can you defend that? Macram. There's a lot of court cases, so no be one. A be anyone member. I will not even also spend a penny on it. Yes, I've got a lot of court cases. A be anyone member. And I will not even spend 100 Ghana cedis on it either. Like, I'm not gonna give it attention. Like, I don't have time for childish behaviors. I do not have time for childish behaviors. Why they make a court as Sammy Gyamfi me daddy me no maba minishe. Onu onam kache Bolare so wama miska abra wo ma miska. Wonu otini bie ne kemu $dollars. Number $80. Mini childish. Congratulations, Sammy Gyamfi, you've won the case. Let's see how you get the 10 million. I swear. See, I don't want to now. Me so be on the me back court be and me uda. Who so I go winning? Sikana be winning. The choir will be for so I will be general. And no, and the my friend me fear sikabedi dear. Would it chassis? What one I me back already? Congratulations. Let's see how you win a dime from Afia. Congrats. Make sure I want no lawyers, so no. Over crying how, or for video you change judge and say, me say me enter defense. Meanwhile, will be a time. Congratulations, Sammy Gyamfi, you've won 10 whatever, 10 million Ghana cedis. Wow, board and then your one will be that. 10 million. I'm point this in my by 10 million. Was sweet. Go and win the case. Go. Corner him say L no. Go and win the case. Corner go win the case. No. One cabo, one father, one auntie. One father, you won't get. Magic chemo papa. Magic chemo. Said ye na no ye no. San ye nebe ye. Hey, Sammy Gyamfi say obi timi kan wan say man court. Hey, na timi she court ni time be try to ba uni aso. Any na na dem so no. I'm sorry for your life. Many who dey here we make sure e wan na mebo. Adenya me lawyer ni Okatakyie. Lawyer ni atimi ka che Bolare ka che pato so wa mamiska. Wo wa mamiska. Sammy Gyamfi ni me number. We need my address because you are about to wear fake. Me ana me dem amo. Fake me dey dwuma na di mo.
Na Afrifa as abe clash with Sammy Gyamfi. Efa nsem we now. On so abe can be part of Sammy Gyamfi.
One no. Sammy Kodo. Ono si hwan?
The way ni ti say King Sugo.
Ah, Sammy Gyamfi. Why dey?
So agosi unua ba o.
Agosi unua ba ba yi.
Afia
Sammy Gyamfi Afia Schwar. Si enyan dey.
So akaseti ya no.
Sam wakaseti ama ya.
Ono Sammy Gyamfi no.
Wagu ni din ho fi. Sammy Gyamfi. Wo so obi agu ni din ho fi. So otonka asema guess. E wo legon. Eti ede ba yi. To the court for defamation.
Sammy Kodo.
Oh, na say don't get here guys kwase bia timi kokot. I mean so enyam na make go. Na Sammy Gyamfi moral turpitude. Bronika se moral turpitude. Sammy wo ti wi ase eti wo da sumye so a wo da se woni mpefe se time na wo ye communications officer wonya mfiri so kura ye beto aba entro a wo twa to manfo so na obi anfo ankokot enye Sammy Gyamfi na beka se F00L Dr. Muhammad Bawumia na ne dia e wa bra na onim owners of F00L na Dr. Muhammad Bawumia odo kokot entro wo twa to manfo so wana do kokot it is an atwa bia to so a wo so kokot e dia koye dia ban ne dia gu ne diofi na Kwame Sefa kan ka semi na da so ya na okay me wo se chairman general okay yenti the chairman general kan yenti
he still feels to say assembly e would that ntimi ndai oh ndai keke obi say udin da ho ana obi ka semi tia o da nya no kre you're growing in politics, in public life. One day, will be the year of a chance here. When really all you have left is your name, your reputation. Today, it may seem very trivial to you. I will say a trivial idea, but one fine day, you will understand. Especially when your children are growing up, you're married, or lawyer, and I believe, I know you're a smart guy, or lawyer, politics, now we cast and found 9 years no credit. You will understand why I'm doing what I'm doing today.
Kwame Sefa kan baje obo come for your stone. Edi Kwame ka kire na. Says obi ka bibi fa ho na ye no kore. Said wo no twa truck fa Kwame Sefa kan. Kwame Sefa kan fra nkokot. Wo jemene ana ye ne ya. An worker na Sammy Gyamfi, Sammy dollar. Wo trivialize no. Sammy gold board. Wo trivialize no. Na Kwame Sefa kan bibi kire no. Se wo nyini. Na abedru baabi. Na all you have left it's your name. Okra the name you don't have it left. Also a trodier, why just show me a fan more. It's what you man a propaganda, you man. Young chat Roman in Kure. And I say, I can't go here the free court near so good. What the would that? Semester of Afia Schwar. If so, I can be a farm home. Now, you see, Uncle, Yedima farm afar. Kwamfa bomofo if so hu bomofo ansa more fire ade ande ye ne matantai same kodo na wotimi kokko nti wukura wo da adwene ho se wukokko na wutibu abua wo sai e tro wotwa no kurom a ana mo adwene na tete sai on se twa nyonko ho a etua dem isabia edan no aye kwan no anka wodan asa e kwan e wo mayi die e tene pa ati se the Supreme Court no aye sa de ye wo mayi atemdidie ne mfa wo mo gate ya no ke bia na wo ma bie flood gate no manfo no nsu bewuram I'm telling you the people will enter more fire media minguram emon people no will enter it is something we can't go case in free court na bia wo so kwa didi ya so kwa didi na so wa say sa de ma we no oya na chiso de wa choke court na wontimi nkana sembi Afia Schwar na gansu yemfa we nwuramura wo be say kwa sa be didi na chem bebo a na wo so sa didi na chem wontimi stop Afia na wo pay 10 million Afia 10 million etu ani bi when you see a more lawyer for more brof bi amoka when you see a man of straw nothing you will get exactly beboa Afia Schwar nega nto 10 million kwa tena buchire etu wo su ko siu no se nya lock na abeso lock na man kana no tumwa ka ba kwa ko siu no Afia ma we nwunu abetimi akwa adwene ni aso nkwa di floodgate them mo ni di atem no. All right, so guys, you move on quick.
Chirawadwe mame, ewo comment section. Hi Penyah Media. Accra.